If you look at the customer experience that some of these de novos are providing, we talked about them earlier, it's wonderful. It's salon-like. You walk in, you're well taken care of. There's bright lights. You're greeted. You can schedule your appointment digitally. You can get a hold of people when nobody's in the office. All of these things make a big difference to the younger generations that we've referenced. So I think paying attention to that and then making sure when they're in your practice that you exceed their expectations. Chewy's famous for it, right? I mean, we all hear about, gosh, my dog passed away and I told them to stop the auto ship and they sent me a card, all personalized, signed by the people that I deal with. They're great at it and it's helping them build a really good business. But I think veterinarians need to think the same way. All right, how do we make that experience everything that they want?